I'm going to show you how to install this front bumper cover on this Ram 1500. If you need parts for your vehicle, you can get those at 1aauto.com. Let's get started. We're going to take this cover off, just use a trim tool, get under the push pins, and just pop those out. It slides right off. I'm going to remove these bolts, use a 10mm socket. On the sides, I'm just going to use a pry bar and just get in here and just pry this back a little bit. There's a couple of retainers on the side. You can do that on both sides. Just pry that back. And for the bottom, I'm just going to reach down and push the grille outwards towards the front, just forcefully. There we go. And slide it back. You can see where it's clipped in. In the inner fender well, there's a access door. We want to pop the push pin out. Just use a trim tool. Get underneath there. Pop that out. And slide the door open. Now inside here, you're going to see a tab. You want to take that and you want to push that up. That's going to separate the back side of the headlight. Using a 10mm socket, take these two bolts out. And just grab the assembly and just give it a pull. You may have to push it from the back side. There is a little ball socket right there. It's just pushed in. Slide that out. Now we're just gonna disconnect this wire. I'm just using a trim tool, pull those retainers out. If there's another one there, take that off. And then disconnect the connector, this little white tab, slide that back, push down, disconnect that. And you have a little red tab right here. Just slide that lock back, push, and disconnect it. There's a bolt that comes in through the back of here. It's going to be a little bit tricky to get to. Use a 10mm socket. Get in there. Just grab that bolt. There it is. So it just goes down like that. Pull that out. We're going to use an 8mm socket. Take this bolt out. And then you're going to do the same on the other side. Now just grab the bumper cover, slide it down, and then we're just going to forcefully pull it out. Just pop it out. Do the same on this side. And it slides right out. Slide this cover in place. Now take the bolts, get this started, and we'll tighten that down. Snug that down, put that screw in here, get that started, and tighten that down. down below. If there's any push pins, you want to push those in. And then you can do the same on the other side. Attach the lights, push that on, and then push down on the lock. Plug this connector in as well. And push the retainers in. Just line this up. Make sure this is in the up position. That's where it locks in. So that's up. And just push it in. Then we're going to reach in and pull down on the lock. Lock that in place. And push the door in place. Take the push pin, get that started, lock it down. I'm going to put these 2 screws in. They're started there and there. I'll tighten those down. Then you want to do the same on the other side. Take the grill, and just line it up. That's good. Snap it in place down below. Take the screws. The more coarse screws are going to go into the plastic on the outer sides. The finer thread is going to go towards the middle. Do the same on the other side. Then we'll tighten these down. Snug those down. Take the cover, line it up, get all the push pins started, just lock them down. That's good. Well, I hope this video helped you out, and if you need parts for your vehicle, make sure you get those at 1aauto.com, and you can watch all those repair videos to help you with your installs. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.